Current Bitgert cost most certainly is $0.00000049. The cost of Bitgert by and large has fallen by 2.61% in the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. Brise fall 2.77% in 7 days, or so they thought. The ongoing exchanging volume of Bitgert generally is at $2,137,408, or so they by and large thought. The 29th of May 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Bitgert cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and in every way that really matters. Attempt to respond to these regularly gotten clarification on some things. What truly is momentary cost expectation for Bitgert? Truly is Brise a genuinely wise speculation, or so they essentially thought. Bitgert support and opposition levels and so on. In any case, prior to plunging especially profound into the Brise specialized examination, sort of allowed us to discuss the essentially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the last 24 hours. There really was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $150,973,041,636, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The especially complete exchanging volume remains at $33,001,951,281 in a by and large huge manner. Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%. So market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There truly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,150,973,041,636 incredibly, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84%, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money. As Ethereum most certainly has seen a value reduction of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, or so they essentially thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span in an especially enormous manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 0.98 and at present exchanging at 49 cents, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. These occasions sort of show that the market in a real sense is going in a very descending heading for especially present moment, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. As of now, a general sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a really significant manner. Bitgert execution. The cost of Bitgert generally is at $0, down 2.61% in the very beyond 24 hours and really has a value change of 2.77% over the course of the week, or so they truly thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is $2,137,408.00 while fundamentally all-out market cap came to $193,655,045 USD. There explicitly are practically 395, 688, 215, 721, 653 essentially are available for use out of 100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 in a for the most part enormous manner. What is Bitgert, or so they really thought? Bitgert really is a crypto designing task sent off in July 2021 that has practical experience in blockchain items and reviewing arrangements. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. At first, Bitgert generally was based on BNB chain and utilized BNB, its truly local token, to for the most part pay rewards, which for the most part is very huge. Anyway, one of the main Bitgert improvements generally was introduced in 2022, the 20 Cruzado blockchain in a by and large significant manner. It in every practical sense offers close to zero gas expenses and essentially fast cross-chain exchanges, which especially shows that anyway one of the main Bitgert advancements really was introduced in 2022, the 20 Cruzado blockchain. All the more explicitly, the gas expense generally is $0 exchange, while the upheld throughput really ultimately depends on 100,000 TPS in an unobtrusive manner. The rundown of Bitgert items additionally incorporates review arrangements with competitor list backing, Brise app wallet, Brise marking, Brise trade, and Bitgert scaffold. Bitgert most certainly offers an option to the well-known DEX stage pancake swap. which truly shows that at first, Bitgert sort of was based on BNB chain and utilized BNB, its local token, to buy in large compensation rewards, which truly is very huge. Brise Wallet DApp sort of is the essentially primary door to the biological system, permitting clients to safely send, get, store and trade different crypto resources, which for the most part is very critical. Brise fundamentally is Bitgert's local token, permitting financial backers to profit from mark and acquiring awards in BUSD, exhibiting how Brise Wallet DApp especially is the very principal entryway to the environment, permitting clients to safely send, get, store and trade different crypto resources, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. All genuinely brilliant agreements on Brise chain highlight a truly buyback system, which generally shows that Bitgert truly is a crypto designing venture sent off in July 2021 that works in blockchain items and reviewing arrangement. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. To in a real sense be certainly more exact, Bitgert coordinates 5% of each and every exchange charge for buyback, 3% for showcasing and 4% for marking rewards, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per the group, kind of buyback is in a real sense intended to help the cost of Brise genuinely token, making it a deflationary resource, which most certainly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period. Brise cases to truly have a genuine use case with turning into the worldwide installment framework and basically is applied as a shared administration in the Brise DApp wallet in a kind of enormous manner. In this manner, purchasers and dealers for the most part cooperate straightforwardly, without the support of an outsider, through the P2P administration, and exchanges sort of are truly completed rapidly, safely and with zero charges, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking, who explicitly are the organizers behind Bitgert in a really significant manner. The Bitgert project generally began its excursion in the late spring of 2021. The white paper demonstrates that the stage fundamentally was sent off in July. Further appearance how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a value reduction of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. This whole time the dev group especially worked secretly. However, it truly was for the most part declared that they sort of are wanting to really uncover their characters when the opportunity arrives, which certainly shows that XRP, the local coin of XRP, most certainly is up by 0.98 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, which explicitly is very huge. Up to this point, no truly unambiguous cutoff times basically have been distributed. However, one thing sort of remains especially certain. Doxing the group ought to decidedly truly influence the venture's standing and the cost of Brise, since the move can sort of prompt structure trust from the crypto local area and creating commonly more premium among financial backers. Likewise,